Part 1: The Encounter with Nonconformity. Recently, I have undergone a significant shift in my creative process, emerging from what I can only describe as a period of artistic stagnation. The catalyst for this transformation was a collaborative session with a distinguished photographer, a visionary known for his idiosyncratic approach to capturing urban environments. Rather than following conventional norms, he utilized a sophisticated monochromatic camera equipped with an ultra-wide lens. This choice of equipment allowed him to distort traditional perspectives, effectively challenging the observer's expectations. We traversed a diverse geographical route, starting at a major transport hub and moving through suburban avenues toward the city center. The experience was a profound lesson in visual storytelling, as I observed him prioritizing raw expression over technical conformity. Part 2: The Pitfalls of Technical Proficiency. For a long time, I had fallen into the trap of what I call the paradox of perfection. I had meticulously mastered the nuances of lighting and composition, yet the more technically proficient I became, the more my work felt like a hollow exercise. The turning point occurred when I discovered an image online that was virtually identical to my own work: same framing, same subject, same lighting. This was not a case of imitation, but rather the inevitable consequence of adhering to a predefined universal standard. I realized that in my pursuit of the correct answer, my unique artistic identity had begun to evaporate. My creative output had shifted from a form of self-expression to a mere quest for social validation. I was no longer asking, "What do I see?" but rather, "Is this acceptable to the public?" Part 3: Redefining Artistic Value. This realization forced me to confront a fundamental truth: true expression lies in the uniqueness of one's perspective rather than technical accuracy. My companion on that walk didn't seek textbook shots. Instead, he focused on fleeting moments, the subtle movements of creatures in the shadows, from distances that most professionals would deem incorrect. I have now come to understand that expression is not a performance for an audience, it is an internal dialogue. While aligning one's work with their inner vision is infinitely more demanding than following a standard template, the resulting authenticity is what gives art its soul. For those of us in the creative fields, the challenge is to move beyond the mandatory submission mindset and rediscover the magic of a truly personal perspective.